Today I'm going to give you specific tips on how to handle ASIN deactivations for drop shippers where you had zero sales. Okay, so one of the number one causes of drop shippers getting suspended on Amazon, either their listing, their ASIN getting deactivated, or their entire account being deactivated by Amazon and your money is frozen, your inventory is frozen, are false counterfeit complaints against sellers who are drop shipping who had no sales. You simply saw a listing, you knew you can get the product, so you jumped on that listing, and before you had any sales at all, you were falsely accused of selling and delivering counterfeit products, which is impossible because you had no sales. So here are the specific steps that we follow every day on cases like this, and that you can try and do on your own without paying anybody at all, even me, and I've got the greatest team in the world. What you want to do is you want to write to whoever made that complaint. The email address is right there on the notice from Amazon, and you want to explain that their complaint against you is entirely baseless because you had no sales. And since you had no sales, you never actually delivered or sold any counterfeit products. You want to explain in that email that you are aware of the law, that complainant interfered with your contract with Amazon, that the complainant accused you of the crime of counterfeiting, which results in a claim for defamation that you can bring against that brand, and you want to persuade whoever made that complaint to believe what you say, that you had no sales, and number two, let them know that you have no intention of going to court, but you are aware of your rights. By using those two tools at your disposal, you can seek a retraction of the complaint. When the complaint is retracted and off your account, your ASIN should come back live, your account should be reactivated, your money released, and then you get back to the business of selling products on Amazon.